Good morning, students. What I need you to do is open up your writing notebook, and I'm going to dictate your spelling words for this week. The sounds that we're going to be looking at is when it has the j sound, like edge, E-D-G-E. It's spelled with a G, but it sounds like a J. And the KW sound of qu, which is like a QU, like quick. It's not spelled K-W-I-C-K, it's Q-U-I-C-K. So listen for those words. Go ahead and number from 1 to 25. I will say the word, say it in a sentence, and then say it one more time. Number 1 is village. They lived in a little village. Village. Number 2, except. I did all my chores except for one. Except. Number 3, explain. Can you explain why you did that? Explain. Number 4 is quick. Try to be quick in getting here. Quick. Number 5, charge. How much do they charge to get in? Charge. Number 6, bridge. We drove over the bridge. Bridge. Number 7, knowledge. The more you learn, the more knowledge you gain. Number 8, question. If you don't know something, ask a question. Question. Number 9, equal. If we both get equal amounts, it will be fair. Equal. Number 10, queen. The queen sat next to the king. Queen. Number 11, excited. I am excited about going to the fair. Excited. Number 12, expect. You should expect me to be there around noon. Expect. Oh, one of my favorite. 13 is Texas. The state of Texas. I am from the state of Texas. Number 14 is fudge. My favorite candy is fudge. Fudge. Number 15, excellent. You did an excellent job last week in our first week of virtual learning. Excellent. Number 16, exercise. Regular exercise will help you stay fit. Exercise. Number 17, Quart. I will buy a quart of milk. Quart. Number 18. Liquid. Water is a liquid. Number 19. Quilt. I like to have my quilt on cold nights. Quilt. Number 20. Expert. My mom is an expert at knitting. Expert. And here are 5 challenge words. 21. Expedition. We went on an expedition in the rainforest. Expedition. Expedition. 22. Aquarium. They have tropical fish in the aquarium. Aquarium. 23. Inquire. She went to inquire about seats for the show. Inquire. 24. Frequent. This bus makes frequent stops. Frequent. 25. Advantage. Knowing how to swim can be an advantage. Advantage. Now I would like for you to check your work through the PDF that I have that has the spelling words and the vocabulary words for the seeker of knowledge. So check to see which words you might have missed and circle those. Those are the ones that you need to study more on. See you soon.